Places of employment shall be kept as clean as possible, taking into consideration the nature of the work. Regular cleaning shall be conducted in order to maintain safe and sanitary conditions in the workplace. Periodic sanitation inspections of food preparation areas, kitchens, and dining facilities shall be conducted at least weekly and documented. Please note, this frequency, explicitly defined, is new for the 2014 edition. In workplaces where toxic dusts, fumes, or mists are generated, all surfaces in the work area and adjacent common use areas shall be cleaned in accordance with a written housekeeping plan based on the frequency and quantity of toxic material generation. To facilitate cleaning, every floor, working place, and passageway shall be kept free from protruding nails, splinters, loose boards, clutter, and unnecessary holes and openings. The following is an example of a well-kept work site, where good housekeeping leads to a clear walk path, no slips, no falls, and a safer job site, with potentially less mishaps and safer management. The following example is one of bad housekeeping, where there are splintered boards and unorganized assembly of materials. An adequate supply of potable water shall be provided in all places of employment for both drinking and personal cleansing. Cool drinking water shall be provided during hot weather. Drinking water shall be provided whenever possible from a local municipal water supply that is in compliance with federal, state, and local drinking standards. Employees shall use cups when drinking from potable water coolers or containers. Use of a common cup, a cup shared by more than one worker, and other common utensils is prohibited. Unused disposable cups shall be kept in sanitary containers, and a waste receptacle shall be provided for used cups. Open containers, for example barrels, pails, or tanks, or any container, with or without a fitted cover for which the water is dipped or poured, are prohibited for drinking water. Lids shall remain on a container except when being sanitized, washed, or filled. The following are examples of approved potable water containers. Construction trailers and other temporary or semi-permanent facilities shall be properly connected to the local municipal water supply unless the remoteness of the location makes this prohibitive. Only approved potable water systems may be used for the distribution of drinking water. If water is not available from a local municipal water supply or on-site well, a temporary potable water system shall be provided from a licensed drinking source. When drinking water is obtained from an on-site well, the water shall be tested and the system supplied in accordance with the Safe Drinking Water Act, 40 CFR 141-143, and any state or local drinking water regulation. New in the 2014 edition, all potable wells intended for drinking water or human contact shall include appropriate wellhead protection to ensure sanitary quality. Also new in the 2014 edition, wellhead protection shall include methods or accessories to prevent fecal contamination, insect infestation, and deliberate human actions that might jeopardize the quality and quantity of the water supply. All hoses, pumps, and valves shall be dedicated to potable drinking water only and shall be rinsed before each use. Before connecting at the shore side, the supply water should be flushed for 30 seconds. After transfer is complete, the vessel hose shall be removed first, then the shore hose removed second, and the supply source shall be flushed again and capped. Drain all hoses, pumps, and valves after each use. Storage tanks on vessels shall be either chemically or mechanically disinfected when the water fails to meet 2 consecutive drinking water tests. Outlets dispensing non-potable water shall be conspicuously posted with the following sign: Caution, water unsafe for drinking, washing, or cooking. Outlets dispensing non-potable water at U.S. Army Corps of Engineers dumping stations within campgrounds may, in lieu of this requirement, be posted in accordance with the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers Engineering Pamphlet 310-1-6A and EP 310-1-6B. There shall not be any cross-connection, open or potential, between a system furnishing potable water and a system furnishing non-potable water. Toilet facilities on construction sites shall be provided as follows. The requirements for this subsection do not apply to mobile crews or to normally unattended work locations if employees working at these locations have transportation immediately available to nearby toilets. Where sanitary sewers are not available, job sites shall be provided with chemical toilets, recirculating toilets, or combustion toilets unless prohibited by state and local codes. Washing facilities shall be provided at toilet facilities and as needed to maintain healthful and sanitary conditions. Each washing facility shall be maintained in a sanitary condition and provided with water from an approved potable water supply. Water shall be either hot and cold or tepid running water. Soap and either individual disposable paper towels or warm air blowers designed for hand drying shall be provided. If impractical to provide running water, hand sanitizer and individual disposable paper towels may be used. Washing facilities for persons engaged in application of paints, coatings, herbicides, insecticides, or other operations where contaminants may be harmful shall be at or near the worksite and shall be equipped to enable employees to remove such substances. Showers shall be equipped with hot and cold water from an approved potable water supply feeding a common discharge line. If non-disposable work clothing provided by the employer becomes contaminated, provisions shall be made to ensure clothing is laundered and decontaminated by the employee prior to reuse. Employees shall not wear contaminated clothing when leaving the worksite. If contaminated work clothing is taken to a commercial laundry, the laundry representative must be advised of the potential contaminants on the clothing. New in the 2014 edition, all USACE food service facilities and facilities operated under USACE contracts, including galleys aboard vessels, shall be compliant with the U.S. Public Health Service Food and Drug Administration Food Code of 2009 as amended. Food handlers are not required to have a general medical exam, but must obtain a statement from a licensed physician, physician's assistant, or nurse practitioner attesting that they are free of communicable diseases. Food handlers shall complete at least 8 hours of food service sanitation training annually. All USACE food service facilities and facilities operated under USACE contracts, including galleys aboard vessels, shall be inspected for compliance with the USPHS FDA Food Code at least semi-annually. An adequate number of waste receptacles shall be provided in a food service area and used for the disposal of waste food. Receptacles shall be constructed of smooth, corrosion-resistant, easily cleanable, or disposable materials, provided with solid, tight-fitting covers, emptied at least daily, and maintained in a sanitary condition. A continuing and effective extermination program shall be instituted when the presence of vermin is detected. The use of licensed exterminators or pest control personnel is required.